How to download and install Metamask crypto wallet on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Metamask on mobile. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your respective Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and simply search in for Metamask from the search bar at the top. And once you're searching for that, you should head over to the first application that appears over here, which is the Metamask crypto wallet. So you can just tap on this install button over here, and based on your internet connection, it will be automatically downloaded as well as installed on your device. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. And once it's successfully installed, just tap on this open button to open the crypto wallet, that is Metamask, and simply click on get started, and just follow the on-screen instruction by agreeing the terms and conditions. And from over here you can just start using wallet by simply clicking on create a new wallet from over here, and create a strong password from over here, and just click on create password once again. Or you can also import using your secret recovery phrase. So make sure to import a wallet if you have one, and you can just get started with your MetaMask application. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.